Hello, stars and hello, fellow pageant lovers. This is your Diva Star. This is my overall top 12 standouts during the MUPH contract signing in random order. First is Pampanga Alison Headland. Look at that statuesque queen. And for sure, designers will have a great time dressing this queen up. So, good luck to you. Next one is Starlux Marian Arellano. For me, she is the face card of this year's season. And she kind of reminded me of South Africa's Tamarind Queen, right? Beautiful. Next in line is Cebu Cities, the beautiful April Smith. And I would have to say that 6 years is truly worth the wait for this queen. Just look at this glow up. Diba ang ganda niya? Big smile. Love her. Raw, organic, pretty. Look at that. Sultan Kurarat's Jen Rose Gomez Javier. She kind of reminded me of a very young Celeste Cortez. Diba? So pretty. Love her ensemble as well. Next is Manila. Surprise, surprise. The same Pelazarte. You would be interested to know why her last minute decision to join. Check her out. Next one is Scarlett de Mesa of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ganda, di ba? Very minimal makeup. I love the black ensemble. Very minimalist. Beautiful. Next is Bella Ismael. Another comeback queen, and just look at that gracefulness, right? And I love the big smile. Best of luck to you, Bella of the gig. My sentimental favorite, we have Ashley Subihano, and she did her own hair and makeup. It's just very simple. I love this pink ensemble. Very pretty, very queeny as well. She knows how to play with the camera. Love her. Next is Adela May Marshall of Muntinlupa. She looks very polished, very classy, looks very, very expensive. I love the glow up. Beautiful. Best of luck to you, Adela May Marshall. Next in line is, of course, one of the early front runners, Nicole Borromeo. There's something about her that has changed. I love the fierceness. She's amazing. She's playing with the camera. So best of luck to you, Nicole Borromeo of Cebu Province. Up next is Nickling Jutay. She's my wild card in the top 12 from Iloilo Province. She's just beautiful. I mean, she looks very expensive. I really want to get to know her some more. So best of luck to you. And of course, finally, we have Bea Milan Windorski. Need I say more? I mean, she did her assignment. For me, she's 100% MUPH material. So best of luck to you.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood at narinig itong si Diva Star na kung saan ay sinabi niya yung para sa kanya in his own opinion kung sino yung mga early standout at nag-shine dito sa contract signing ng MUPH. So apparently is first batch pa lang po yung pinakilala. Meron pang second batch na kung saan ay inaabangan ng nakararami, most especially yung mga supporters ni Iliana na magpapakita ito doon sa final contract signing ng ibang mga sasali dito sa Miss Universe Philippines. At magaganap daw ito mga kapolitika sa February 16 sa SM MOA. So abangan po natin yung contract signing ng mga natitira pang delegates. So para sa atin naman, sino ba yung mga nag-shine doon sa first batch ng MUPH? So walang duda na yung number 1 talaga natin mga kapolitika ay yung pambato ng La Union na lagi nating inuulit-ulit, si Bea Milan Windorski. At masasabi natin na talagang siya ngayon ang frontrunner at talk of the town dito sa beauty pageant sa edisyon ng taong 2026. So napakalinis ng kanyang mukha at yung kanyang aura, yung kanyang stage presence ay masasabi rin natin na napakalakas. So abangan natin yung kanyang mga pasabog dahil pinag-uusapan na rin siya even sa mga international community, sa mga international na mga vlogger, at sa napansin na rin actually siya ni Olivia Yase ang Miss Universe Cote d'Ivoire 2025. So abangan natin yung mga pasabog pa ni Bea dito sa kanyang maging laban sa Miss Universe 2025, and hopefully is napaka-crucial rin ito na moment para kay Iliana Marie Aduana, kasi what if sasali itong si Iliana and then andito rin si Bea Milan. So masasabi talaga natin na parang conflict of timing kung sasali itong si Bea Milan and then sasali rin po itong si Iliana Marie Aduana, although hinihintay pa po natin yung confirmation. So yun ang ating masasabi dahil nga sila yung front runner dito sa MUPH 2026 kung sasali nga itong si Iliana sa edisyon para sa taong ito. Alam naman natin na yung iba is doon pa sa second batch, marahil manggugulat para ma-surprise yung kanilang mga supporters. So aside dito kay Bea Milan, sino pa ba yung mga nag-stand out doon in our own opinion? So pangalawa nang nabanggit ko ay itong pambato nga ng Cebu province na si Nicole Borromeo. So hindi naman sa doon sa ibang mga candidate, meron kasing iba na maliit, merong iba na makikita talaga natin very visible at very distinguished yung may pinabago sa kailang mukha mga kapolitika. So medyo na-off po tayo doon. Medyo nadidisappoint tayo doon sa mga candidate na yun na kung saan is nakikita natin na may pinaayos, especially sa ilong. So medyo halatado kasi at medyo kita yun sa ibang mga delegates doon sa first batch ng MUPH. So itong si La Union, number 2 is itong sa Cebu province, si Nicole Borromeo. At yung kasi kamukha ni Marian Rivera mga kapolitika, iwan ko lang kung napapansin nyo rin na medyo hawig kay Marian Rivera itong pambato ng Cebu province na si Nicole Borromeo. So yun yung number 2 ko. At yung number 3 naman is yung pambato nga ng Pampanga na si Allison Hetland. So napakatangkad pala nitong pambato ng Pampanga, na sa 6-footer din itong si Allison. At napakalinis rin ng kanyang mukha. Masasabi ko na malakas yung kanyang potensyal. So although ito yung first na sampa ni Allison dito sa national competition, kung siya ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon sa mga susunod na panahon, ay maaring pwede siyang sumali sa sa MUPH or sa Miss Universe Philippines, or ibigay sa kanya yung ibang mga titulo ng mga minor pageant, kasi obviously malakas talaga ang labanan ngayon dito sa Miss Universe Philippines. So for me, sila yung top 3, at yung pang-apat mga kapolitika, idadagdag ko yung pambato ng Tarlac. So hindi maipagkakaila at talagang masasabi natin na merong malakas na laban sa face card itong magiging manok ng taga Tarlac. So yun yung mga nakikita ko na nag-stand out dito sa first batch ng contract signing ng MUPH. And of course, kung meron pang mga sasali doon sa second batch, ay titingnan rin natin mga kapolitika kung sino yung mga may malakas yung laban. Okay, kasi kahit papano sinasabi nga natin na sa tagal-tagal na nating nag-video, nag-feature ng mga beauty pageant dito sa ating YouTube channel, is makikita at makikilala rin natin, kaya nating makaspat ng merong tinatawag na star quality, or merong shine, kumbaga merong winning glow. Okay, so yun po yung ating apat na candidate or delegate na for me is early favorite in my own opinion. So magkakaroon po mga kapolitika ng parade yung mga delegates ng MUPH sa February 16 sa ganap po na 3 PM. Eto na, ipapakilala na sila, at huwag sayangin ang pagkakataon na makita sila ng personal. Meet this year's official delegates at the official reveal Miss Universe Philippines 2026 official delegates. Presentation on February 16, 2026. Parade, Mall of Asia, 3 PM. Press presentation, City of Dreams, 5 PM. Witness the beginning of their journey to the crown. So abangan po natin kung sino yung mga natitirang delegates dito sa MUPH para sa taong ito. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, sino-sino yung mga candidates na sa tingin nyo ay malakas ang maging laban dito sa Miss Universe Philippines, mag-comment down below, at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Standee of Jessie. Tama ba? And then when Anita went on his live, he pushed the standee. It was really crazy and funny. Ayaw niya ng she? Ayaw niya ng he? Siya? Oh, okay. Whatever. So, she. I know, but maybe that's her pronouns. He. Okay, so siya. Oo, girl, kinilig ako sa kanila. Fan na ako nila. Nakakakilig sila. Nakakainis. Ayan o, nakikita nyo? Nakita nyo yung ugat? Nakita niyo yung ugat? Ayan o, lumalabas siya. Nakakaloka yung ugat na yan. Ang laki niya. Isang straight. Oo, lalo na yung live, tawang-tawa ako. Hindi, video lang yon. Serena, hello! Thank you! Hi, Elle! Zara, hi! Natawa ako yung nakita yung pumasok si Anita sa live niyo. Bigla yung tinapon yung standee. But yes, good luck to all the delegates of this year's Miss Universe Philippines! Grabe! Jin Rose Javier. Yes! So she is our representative for this year's Miss Universe Philippines. Let's also support her, guys. She is my baby girl. Very sweet. She's so matangkad, so beautiful, intelligent also. So let's support her, a representative of Sultan Kudarat for MUPH. Anong hala? Wait lang. Oh, thank you because Jonna, thank you. Hi, Lai. Yung bata may pajama. Let's see. Anyway, mag-ano kaya tayo? Ano nga yun yung live together with someone? Paano nga yun yung mag-invite ng live? Random. Kasi I have to end na my live, guys. I still have to pack. Ito yung sakit lagi. Laging nawawala ang pair ng isang medyas. Ewan ko, nasaan na yan. I was trying to look for the video that I did during my press conference in Sultan Kudarat a year ago. Kasi hinahanap ko yung term. Naalala ko kasi during Binibining Pilipinas, the supporters also gave us a name for my batch. Parang Bardagulan ba yun? Parang I think it started there back in 2022. Tapos, nung batch namin, puksaan ba yung term? Nireto ni Emma Simuham kay Gigi. We? PK battle. Uy, totoo ba? Hindi naman siguro. Totoo? Okay. I-unfollow si Ate Emma. Seryoso, wala ka naman yun. Hindi naman, siguro friends lang. Hello, te. Totoo ba? Nireto mo daw si Muam kay Hihi. Sumagot ka, huwag kang tumawa. Kailangan ko ng sagot today. Or else, I'm going to block you in 3 minutes. No, in 10 minutes. Only 5 minutes now. Kung hindi mo ibalik ang mga anak ko, charot. Iba pala yun. Sorry po, sorry. Erica, thank you. Naalala ko yung phone yung ay, 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 na, 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 na. Gusto ko yung dati. Yung tit, 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 how are you? Ay, 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 nakakailing naman yung mga comment na yan. Isa-isa lang. Ano? Binawi naman din, Dad. Pero sabi ni Ate Emma, taken na daw si Muhaw. Kaya si Anita na lang ang binigay. Hoy, pero kinikilig ako kay Anita tsaka kay Anito. Charon. Kay Hihi. Tawang-tawa ako dun sa video kasi. Charot lang. Hihi. Fan na ako ng love team nila. Kung ano man yun. Kung love team man yun o kung anong team. Yo, taon-tawa. Oh, so funny. Lana, thank you. I will make sure that this time I will not turn these gifts into coins. Ang tanga-tanga lang. Okay, so ano ng topic natin? I have to end my live na. Baka lang kasi na-miss niyo ako. That's why I went on live today. This morning. So, tingnan niyo, lumalaki ulit yung nunal ko. So, ano siya? Lulubog lilitaw. Marua, baby, thank you. Official Muchi. Family, thank you. Ano? Ate Rona, thank you! Guys, ang laking tulong talaga ng binigay sa akin ni Ate Rona. So, thank you so much. You're my angel po. Thank you. Absent si Moon. Walang makulit na Moon today. Ang bilis ko ma-distract, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Hi, Virgo. Kamusta ang trip mo sa Indonesia? Okay, guys. Honestly, at first, I was really scared and nervous because, syempre, even though it is Miss Crown of Japan, the pageant was held in Indonesia, right? So, malamang sa malamang, the audience there would be Indonesians and also the media team. I was really scared because, syempre, diba, meron tayong konting puksaan na nagaganap online world. But then again, napakaganda ng pag-welcome nila sa akin. They're so very friendly. Kaya nga, diba, nag-joke pa yung hosts. Diba, nag-joke pa sila. Natawa na lang ako. Pero grabe. They were cheering for me, especially the pageant media there. And we even made a TikTok na post ni Oliver. Check it out. So yeah, it was so fun, even though it was just a quick trip. I really didn't have enough time to explore Jakarta. Lakshmi, thank you! Ayan! Hinita, Ginita. Paano ba siya? Hinita. Yes, we also had a mini Q&A. It was a surprise, honestly. But it was quick, it was fun, and hopefully I could go back again to Indonesia. And also, to some of their islands. Indonesia has 17,000 islands. Imagine, we're very proud with 7,000. How much more with their 17,000? Because the only island that I know is Bali, right? It's really famous, Bali. But I still want to explore more. Tsaka guys, napakaganda ng... Ayoko ng guys! Ano ba yan? Okay, babies. Ang ganda ng airport nila.